All right, guys, I thought it was just time to maybe do a Discord tutorial, especially for the new members or people who are interested in being a part of the premium owls. But I mean, we're just gonna run through this pretty quickly. It's pretty self-explanatory, not that hard to get through this Discord. So let's get this started. So disclaimer, again, this is very straightforward. You guys can take the time to read this. If you want to change your payment info, cancel your membership, change plans, etc., you are responsible for it. We're not responsible if, let's say, you pay and it's in the middle of the month of the next month, and you say, "I forgot to cancel my subscription for this month." I mean, there's nothing we can do. You guys got to be on top of it. Um, and the link is right there in the disclaimer channel. So make sure to head to that channel if you need to change anything. Rules, again, very self-explanatory. I'm not going to run through this. You guys can read this, but again, these are very simple rules. Announcements, these are anything that we think is important, so it doesn't get lost in the main chat or anywhere else. So class schedules, giveaways, etc., will be posted in the announcements channel. So again, anything that's important, we'll post it here. Trading goals, we'd like to know what your goals are, right? Obviously everyone wants to make money, but we want to see what your specific goals are. So don't be afraid to post them here. So that way we can do as best as we can to help you accomplish those goals. So don't be afraid to post. Join now. This is for free members that have access to the free chat but are not premium members yet. So if you want to join, you just click the join now. The link is right there. And then here, if you have a current membership and you want to change your payment plan to like a monthly, or I'm sorry, 6 month or a yearly plan, to save a little bit of money. You save actually 23% every month when you switch. You can head to the upgrade to save channel and you can change your membership there. Free trading room, it's available for everyone. You guys can post your analysis, your trades, etc. You definitely want to keep it stock related, but at the same time, you can have some fun in there too. So don't be afraid to post in there. Profits, pretty self-explanatory. I mean, if you had a great day, feel free to post your profits, right? You don't have to, it's just up to you, right? Hustlers channel. This is something that, if you guys are doing something on the side, other than trading, if you have an e-commerce building, or an e-commerce company, this and that, post it, right? See what you guys are all up to. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so I think this is the most important part of the Discord, the alert section. This is where we post all our alerts, and it looks something like this. So if I go, show an example of all our alerts. So it's pretty clean. It will give you a notification in the alerts channel, and it'll also pop up in the trading floor channel. So you have like 2 notifications. So that's pretty cool. And it's very self-explanatory. I mean, this is a Friday alert, so I didn't put an expiration, but here's a ticker, affirm 49 call, 0.99 is the premium, and then if it was like a Monday, it would show the expiration. But since it was a Friday, they're showing no expiration. We'll post our buys and we'll post our sells. So I can probably show you a little better example. So this is a very clean way how Professor of ETFs does it. You put the ticker, the strike, price, the expiration. Very easy to read. You guys should have no problem reading these alerts. We'll have our buys, we'll have our sells, we'll have our updates as well. We'll say out of our runners. We'll have updates on the cons. So we do manage it very well for you guys. We don't. Obviously, it's up to you guys to buy and sell, manage runners, whatever. But we do our best to help you guys like literally ride through the whole alert. Yeah, Eva, same thing. It's very self-explanatory. Her alerts are very similar. BTO, she's buying a Lily 750 call, 2.6 expiration, 0.6 free lotto. So again, these are very, very self-explanatory. So I can also explain our strategies for each person who makes alerts. So I focus obviously 99% on flow. 98% of them are going to be swings. I love to swing trade, and a couple day trades, like usually Fridays I'll just do like a day trade. Professor, he also does flow, apex strategy, day trades, QQQ, spy, and also swings. Eva, more day trading, limited swings, a lot more SPX and large cap companies. Desi is more of a ICT swings and day trades. So, and he'll post all his recaps, some tips and tricks. But his alerts again are very similar. Spy 495 put March 8th. Half size. That means he's not fully in. I guess I just gave you guys a free alert. But anyway, this is how what it looks like. TT, we all love his style. He's not a quantity trader, right? He always likes to, you have one trade a week, right? But his track record is incredible. I think he's only had one loss this year so far. So he focuses mainly on spreads and swing strategies, volume profiles, and ICT. So he's more of like a complex trader, which we do like. NP is one of our newer traders, and he's been killing it since. He focuses mainly on swing trading and higher time frame setups. So a lot of technical analysis and patterns, mainly common stock trades, which is really good. But again, you can definitely buy options regardless if it's a common stock alert. And you'll also throw out some options trades as well. But again, it's very, very clean to read, very self-explanatory. S investing, he just likes to put analysis, not technically alerts. It's more for people to understand technical analysis, just his commentary, so you can be able to fish for your own. Then Alex, he focuses full time on futures trading, so he'll post his analysis, his watch list, his levels, and that will help people who trade futures to fish for their own as well. So this is the most important section of the Discord. This is where you get all the alerts, all the updates, all the good stuff, right? Last but not least, the Apex PT update. So what we'll do, we will every 2 hours we will post the exposures from TraderLink. Obviously, we can't post it every second. That just defeats the purpose of the whole software. So luckily enough, we're able to post it every 2 hours for the members, just to see where SPX or any other stock is headed as far as the exposures go. So we'll post this every 2 hours. The pro member chat, this is where the trading floor. This is where everyone talks about anything stock related, right? When the market's open, we try to keep it as stock related as possible. And then once the market closes, people will keep talking about stocks, and then it'll kind of just go into whatever topic. But again, this is the main trading floor. Notable flow. One of our members own tackled post flow as well. But this is mainly a channel where we post anything that is notable to us. I do post a lot more in this channel than I do on Twitter. It's just how I do it. It's just more fair to the owls. I still post a good amount on Twitter, but again, I post a lot more in the notable flow section for the Discord. Daily watch list. This is where I'll post the notable flow. So pretty self-explanatory. ES analysis, just analysis on ES. Member plays. This is for you guys to, post whatever plays you're in, right? You guys can talk about what options trades you're going to be placing, what you guys are in. We'll look and see if we can help if you guys need help. But this is somewhere you can just state, hey, I'm entering this at this price. Let's see how it is. So this is where you guys can post your trades. Futures trading. This is all the traders who trade futures. So a lot of commentary on futures will be here. Again, pretty self-explanatory. Long-term investments channel. So Prof and I will, we will tell people what we're buying in our long-term portfolio. Now, this is not saying that you guys have to follow each, buy or sell. We're just telling you guys, hey, I'm personally buying this stock and adding it to my long-term portfolio. Prof will actually also even do a whole earnings recap, balance sheet, fundamental analysis, all that good stuff for you guys to understand, why you should buy this stock, right? Or why we think it's a good investment. So he has a nice write up about that. Crypto talk, not that active, but again, if you're interested in crypto, feel free to post in this channel. Voice chat, we're on every single day. Prof is on at 6 a.m. for pre-market analysis and going over charts. And then from market open to market close, I share my screen on Flow all day long with some nice music in the background. Yeah, we're on voice every single day, all day long. Options bots, these channels are not available right now. We have a bug, so I'm just gonna skip through these. I think economic one, yeah, these are just economic posts, still from the unusual whales. Off topic chat, you guys can talk about anything, literally anything. You can still put stocks if you really want to. I mean, this is all non-market stuff, doesn't really matter to you guys. Trading support, if you guys really need to, if you need help with anything, that you don't want the question to be lost in the chat, please post it here. Anything, any support that you need, just post your questions here. We'll try to get back to you as fast as possible. If you're having any, problem with risk management, we have Widow as our risk management guy. He'll also post a lot of great insight on, if you're having problems with trimming contracts, stop losses, whatever the case may be. This is a very, very informative channel that you guys should all take advantage of. And again, all members can, hone in as well and talk about their experience. Newsletter, we just, post, what happened throughout the week. I think I get this information from, I completely forgot their name, but I need to give them credits because this is not what I write. I don't know the name at the top of my head, but I will make sure to tag them on the YouTube video. They usually post out pre-market movers and then what happens after the market. So I'll definitely get that name out. But yeah, we'll just post this at pre-market and aftermarket. Earnings reports. Shout out Scooby. He posts very clean economic events before market open, after market close. I'll tag him in the video as well. His Twitter account, I think it's like SCO Scooby or something like that, but I'll make sure to tag him, give him the credit. Basics. This is again, basics of trading. Anything that we think could be effective for anyone. We post in here. Anyone could post, any information that's helped them in the past. Videos. This is where all our videos are posted. Trader link. How to use Flow. Any video that helps. That benefits anyone. So again, very self-explanatory. And that's about it. I don't know what else to kind of go over. That's it. That's it. So I appreciate you guys taking the time and watching these vids, and I'll see you in the next one.